Let us go for happiness and not for what is best. Because having the best without the true meaning of happiness will ikada kayo aming apo, or should I say, a glorious and fabulous evening to each and every one. This girl in front of you is a fresh 25-year-old stunner, hating all the way last from the heart of Barangay Del Pilar, Castillejo, Zambales. You're very old. This is Elena Bill Cordobez Ilagan. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, please do allow me to stand and carry the image of your one and only Miss Universe 2025, Miss Atisa Manalo. Para nag-iiwan ng kasabihan na kung ang mga babae ay nagsisilbing bigas na Jasmine, at ang mga kalalakihan naman po ay nagsisilbing bigas na Denorado. Hayaan niyo po kami mga baklang magsilbing bigas na Evergreen. Hindi man kamahalan, hindi man kasarapan, ngunit pinipilahan at higit sa lahat nalalapitan sa oras ng kagipitan. Lagi po natin tatandaan na bukas makalawa, bababa ang Diyos dito sa lupa at tayo'y kanyang huhusgahan. Sino nga ba ang tunay na makasalanan? Kaming mga bakla nang hangad lamang ay magbigay ng saya at ngiti sa inyong mga tao upang husga na walang ibang gawin kung kami ay atihin at nagipin. Nakalpong salamat!
English. Susunugan ang bahay! Ang hindi mo malagpak, symbol, mamamatay. Joke lang po. Ang lady standing in front of you is a 26-year-old student. All the way of one of the progressive province in Central Luzon, and where rich culture and heritage is celebrated. This is Darius Asigorio from Maribeles, at sa probinsya kung saan hindi sumusuko, Bataan! Good evening to each and everyone. I am a freelance makeup artist, a freelance dance choreographer, an HIV ambassadress, and also I am an advocate of breaking the stigma in body shaming. And also, currently I am working as a barangay tourism officer by profession. And also, I graduated in SOCNET Information Technology Center, taking a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, cum laude. And tonight, because this is a pageant, allow me, this costume represents the camaraderie and the person. And also, I believe that having a national costume is a movement for me to be able to hashtag no to jeepney based out. Ang isang babaeng bumihag sa bihikang puso ni Tito Beans. Ang babaeng nagtanong, gusto niyo ba ng lemon? Gusto ko tequila. Ang sagot ay, hindi po ate. Ang babaeng tahimik lang sa umpisa. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay at diyawan ang nag-iisang Miss Tony Fowler? Ang apat na entablado, sulong ng entablado nito, alam ko po na ngayong gabi, hindi lamang po itong pa-gandahan, hindi lamang itong pa-luluhan, bagos ito ay pa-bigatan na ipinaglalaban. Dahil ngayong gabi po, people of Del Pilar, Zambales, mark my number. Dahil sa ganitong uri ng patimpala, siya, may isang baklang matabang magandang tama. Maraming salamat po.
Driving 30 minutes away, coming from your nearest city, that is Olongapo City, just to see the beautiful people of Del Pilar, Castellanos, Zambales. Kaya naman, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Thank you so much. Wise men are instructed by reasons. Men of less understanding by experience, and the most ignorant by necessity. And I, as the living soul of the universe, do have the pinakamatandang kondesera sa buong Zambales. I am your proud 49-year-old cum laude graduate of liberal arts, major in English, International Studies, Asian Studies and Linguistics from the College of Arts and Letters of the University of the Philippines in Diliman. Your daily winner of ABS-CBN's It's Showtime Miss Q&A Season 1. This is your one and only senior high school teacher, your college professor, and your 3-term barangay kagawad of Barangay Mo. Unfortunately, ang kamukha ko po ay nagamit na ng isang kandidata. At kalimitan sa mga patimpalak, naisip ko rin, hindi ko na. Tony Fowler, Tony Gonzaga, o maging si Tony Ferrer. Kaya naman, let me stand by the name of the one and only, the legendary Miss Angela Smythe, na nag-iwan ko sa inyo ng mga katagang bakla ng gabi sa inyong paningin. Bakit hindi ko subukang mahalin? Dahil baka nasa amin ang forever na inyong panalangin. And I thank you.
Paru-paru puso ay may kapitan, salita ng laban,
You no longer have to introduce yourself. Standing before you is a 19-year-old stunner who hails all the way from Dinalupihan, Bataan. Because I am your newly crowned Queen of the Far East 2025, which is the most prestigious trans pageantry in Bataan. This is Heart Julia na nagsasabi, bakla, bading, o charing-charing. Kahit anumang po pangaling pustang itawag niyo ho sa amin, amin ho ang gabing ito at tagahanga lang po namin kayo. Thank you and good evening.